Come here. Hey, buddy. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, hey. Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, of course I unboxed them early. I had to shoot the whole intro.
Look how dirty my car is.
Down in the dirt. Been real bad. I've been real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down in the morning light.
Okay, we're here. These RayBan Stories. I've been shooting with these all weekend up here in Big Bear and showing them off to the gang and seeing what they thought. It's created some fun moments, so I'm just gonna tell you what I think and how they work. The cameras are right there on both sides. I got the Wayfarer model. The style looks great. No complaints there. The build quality, there's something a little sharp right here. I think they had to kind of snap these together to fit all the electronics inside the frame. And so there's a little seam right here, and when you put it on one-handed, and it kind of scratches your face. So I think they could do a little bit better on the build quality. When you first get them, you have to pair them with Facebook's View app. And so you can't just get them out of the box, turn them on and start filming. You gotta download the app and connect. They do take a second to turn on, like maybe 15 seconds to power all the way on and connect to your phone. They record 30-second clips, and you just press this button here once, tap it once to take a video, 30-second video, tap and hold to take a picture. It does get audio, and it plays the audio back through these little speakers right here. And surprisingly, it's been pretty good audio. Not super bassy or anything, but definitely just passable for listening to a podcast or a YouTube video. And the people around you, I mean, they can barely hear it if they're right next to you. But you can hear it really well. So it's pretty cool. They come with this charging case. There's a little connector here, and you just place them in there, and then they charge in the case. When you record, a little light shines up right here, and a little light shines inside here so you can see it out of the corner of your eye and know whether or not you're still shooting. And a little sound comes out of the speakers to let you know that you've started shooting, and a different sound for when you stop shooting. But I've been told that during the day, the light just maybe looks like a piece of shiny metal on the glasses, and people don't really assume that you were recording them. For now, until the world becomes more accustomed to glasses like this, you could probably get away with it in a lot of situations with nobody knowing. If you were so inclined to do that, which you might do. You might actually do.
Like, I walked right in this weed shop, looked the security guy straight in the face. The front desk people had zero idea. Walked all around the store, got great B-roll.
Ooh, look at that, it's fancy. What is that? Oh, look, popcorn. That's fun.
100 milligram. My God, that's a lot, right?
Actually even ran into some friends just to see if they'd notice. I kept recording and I didn't say anything. I thought maybe they'd see the light and ask me about it.
These are amazing.
After a while, I asked them, and they said, "Oh no, we had no idea that you were recording me." So that was kind of cool, but also, you know, kind of creepy.
Video quality. Well, it turns out having a camera on your face makes for some pretty nauseating footage. And it's not like they don't have good stabilization. They do. The stabilization is actually pretty decent. It's just people have a tendency to glance around a lot. So if you actually want good footage when you're wearing these, just try and keep your head steady, I guess. The 1184 by 1184 resolution takes a square image. So when you blow it up to fit on a 16 by 9 timeline, you lose a lot of the top and bottom, and it requires you to then do a lot of adjustments in post to make sure people are looking at the right part of the image. Also, in anything less than pure daylight, the image quality was pretty terrible.
Anyway, I gotta meet up with the rest of the crew, so I'll finish this video back at the studio.
I guess something that's cool about these is that in a pinch, you can take them off and vlog with them. You know, you're probably not getting great audio, but at least you can have a camera to vlog with. It's a little weird also, but you know what? Vlogging's weird anyway. Whether it's glasses or a camera, people are gonna look at you. Okay, first impressions, they're fun. So I actually bought these because I lost my Insta360 Go, a little tiny action camera. If you want to watch my review on that, link is in the description. So I lost it and I thought maybe these would be a replacement. But after using it, it was instantly clear that these are not going to replace any sort of dedicated camera. For one, you can't mount these anywhere besides on your face, so that takes away a ton of options. They don't have a slow motion mode, they don't have a time-lapse mode, you can only shoot for 30 seconds, they've got horrible low light, and they're not waterproof. Many things. And in case you were wondering, these are not AR glasses like the Snapchat spectacles. These are strictly a pair of glasses with a camera on them. I think Meta is just trying to get people used to people having cameras on their faces. That being said, I've been enjoying them. It seems like the people that I've showed them to think they're very cool. They want to try them out. They're interested, and they don't seem too shy about the fact that there's a camera around. I think the light on the front of these really helps to signal to people that they're being recorded and makes them feel more comfortable when you're around them and the light is not on. I think I'm going to be using these mostly just as sunglasses. So if you're someone that loses sunglasses a lot, you might want to think twice before paying basically double. Ray-Bans are typically about 150 bucks. These are 300, but I'm not going to be planning shoots around these glasses. They're just going to be the ones that happen to get the shot because they're the only ones available or the fastest option. All right, guys, if you want to subscribe to the channel, you know, look, I'm not going to argue with you. If you want to hit that like button, also, look, your prerogative. But leave me a comment. Let me know if there's anything I didn't cover, or just let me know how you feel about people walking around with cameras on their faces. That's it. That's it. Go enjoy your life, guys. By the way, my favorite platform for cryptocurrency is crypto.com. They've got a credit card with a ton of great rewards, free Spotify, free Netflix, highest staking percentage out there. Coin CRO is blowing up. We both get 25 bucks if you use the link in the description.